In this video, we'll dive into the elements you can use to create automated flows with our Automation 360. First, go to the Automations tab and click Create New Automation. Fill in the campaign information, the sender's email address and name, priority days for sending, and unsubscribe form language. Then choose the starting condition of the flow. For example, when a new subscriber is added to a mailing list on a special date, or when a variable value changes. With SendPulse, you can also set up a custom event that will trigger your automated flow, like a registration, purchase, or abandoned cart. You'll find a detailed guide to setting up these events in the description below. You can use the Email element to send an email automatically. To do so, select the element execution time, indicate the email subject line, and choose a previously created email template. You can combine emails with web push notifications, SMS, and messengers to create a multi-channel communication strategy with your customers. The Filter element allows you to send flow messages based on specific variables in your mailing list. For instance, after an email, you can add an SMS that will be sent in 2 days to only subscribers whose city variable value is Chicago. Using the Condition element, you can set up sending subsequent messages only if a specific condition is met or not. Conditions include the following types of events: message delivered, email opened, or subscriber clicked through the links in the previous message. The Action element can be used to move, copy, and delete a subscriber or update their variable value. Using this element, you can also randomly split your contacts for A/B testing. The Send to My Email Address option allows you to get notifications about the user's action in your autoflow. Another element you can use for your autoflows is Goal. Add it to the required flow element to track the number of subscribers who reach this goal. You can automatically stop the flow as soon as the goal is reached.